This is Chad from Blueberry Ridge Outdoors. We're out at a buddy's place. He's tapping some trees, so it's sap time in Wisconsin, so I'll bring you along and we'll tap some trees and show you all about the process. All right, here we go. Okay, so first we start with the bag. We got a ring here that we run through the ring. And we fold it over the metal ring. Make sure there's several inches over the overlap. Like so. And you take the top piece and you slide it in here. You can squish the ring a little bit while you do it. That seems to help a little bit. When you get it in there, you just pull on it. It'll set up on there. So you want plenty of overlap like this, so that the bag doesn't come loose. And then the sap just runs in the hole here. All right, let's go tap a tree. Okay, so we follow the root down into the ground. We come straight up about waist height. We angle the drill up just a bit. Drill in 2 inches into the tree. Yeah, there's already sap starting to flow out of the tree. And you just tap it real lightly. Just till it's in there nice and snug. You take your bag and you just hang this ledge here and this hole, and it'll run right in the bag. Okay, now so the rule of thumb on the size of a tree to put 1 or 2 bags on, a coffee can is a 1 bag size, and a 5-gallon bucket you can put up to 2 bags on that one. So this one's about the size of a 5-gallon bucket. So we got one on the front side, now we're going to put a bag on the back side. This is where it was tapped last year. So now we don't want to tap on this root. We want to grab another root back on this other side, back here. So the sap can flow up into it. So again, we're just going to take it about waist height, angle it up just a little bit. That's 2 inches into the tree. Sap's running out of it already. And we just put our tap in there. Just tap it in just so it's snug, just like that. And again, hang the bag right on there. Find the root down here. Go straight up from that, about waist height. Angle up. 2 inch hole, 2 inch deep hole again. It's already dripping, so we'll get the tap in it, get a bag on it. Right enough. Just make sure the spout gets down in the bag. That's all there is to it. So we got a coarse filter on in here, sucking it out of the bucket. Goes up the tube. Got the pump here. From the sap into the barrel. It's a snipe walking right in front of me. All right, we're gonna dump some bags. Wow, it's like 2 gallons. That's full. Okay, we're gonna collect some sap now. This bag was not put on properly. Sometimes when it drips, it might not even drip in the bag. You gotta be real careful that you get the bag over the edge really good so it locks onto these grooves. So now we'll take this off. See what happened here? So we're gonna fold that over a little farther so the bag can lock on decent. All right, now that we got good overhang all the way around, we pulled on it, we locked it in good. Make sure that that's sitting on the inside ledge. So right in there, set it back on the tree. Now we're good to go. All right, let's go get some more. This one wasn't up on the washer ring part. It was just hanging on the back. So that's why this bag's probably a lot lighter than that one. Now we put it back on there. We'll make sure that it's up on that ring good. There you go. Take it out of the half ton and put it in my 3/4 ton just for the trip to the sap place. So here we go. So it looks like about 175 gallons of sap we got this morning. So now we're going to take it into the processing place and drop it off.
Yeah, you're right. It'll be about an hour.
What are you doing here?
We're testing the sap content. This is all them days in science. And then you just buy a reader. 2.7.
That was just been running?
Honestly, the last guy was 2.6, but before that we've had a lot of guys right at 3. I've been 2.2 out of the pump, which is really good.
Well, we didn't collect till yesterday.
Well, if you had some ice in it, and
ice.
yeah, 2,800 to fill this tank.
Yep.
So 2,800 down to 800 gallons, and then we'll RO it one more time and turn it into 400. The last year was taking 3,600 gallons to fill this. The difference in sugar content makes a huge difference.
How long would it take you to cook the 400 gallons?
3 hours. 3 hours, but I can, it ROs faster and I can cook it, so then I can just keep going.
Sure. What's that? Yep, it's open.
You need the top open? Nope. Yeah, we're only holding about 23 inches of vacuum right now. I'd like to be around 25, but we go out and look. My nephew's son came up with me. We've been looking to find a lot of leaks. Who knows? A cap fell out or something. Yeah, if you look in there.
Just monitor that when you know it's in the background.
Right.
So, you got something going wrong, and I don't know what.
Well, we'll try, but I don't have time. That's the problem. Caps are leaking around it. You know, so many variables can go wrong.
So at the end of the season, they pull this out. They put it in the plug here, just so it doesn't get dirty. And then you can see different years. They've tapped the same tree all over the place. Here you can see the sap going through the.
Yep.
See the sap going through the lines. This one's dripping a little bit. Well, here we are back in the shop after a nice day out in the woods collecting sap. I hope you enjoyed the journey. If you like this video, click the like button. Please subscribe, and we'll see where we're at next. Have a good one.